Here is a high-speed OCR inspection demo. On the left-hand side is a 2D smart camera from LMI, and on the right-hand side is the AVT camera from our sister company, Allied Vision. Here we're trying to show the flexibility of the ecosystem as well as the power of our software. This demo is inspecting the strings in the image, which is here. The font on the image keep changing, the style, the size, the boldness. Traditionally, OCR tool will need some pre-definition or training to read the strings, but over here, this is an AI-based tool, so just out of the box, it'll be able to write the variety of the styles of the font. I'm using the classic moment of Chicago, which is the last shot of Michael Jordan, and this continuous motion shows how fast our camera can run. So this is a 26 frame per second inspection. That's why you can see the motion is continuous. On our 2D smart camera, everything is on board, image is captured on board, it's processed on board. The simplicity is really the beauty of the system. The only communication happening between the 2D smart camera and this TV here is a display. There's nothing else. But at the same time, the power of the GoPxL ecosystem is a flexibility. So on the right-hand side, this is the traditional industrial camera, means there's no onboard processing over here. In the console, there is a desktop with a NVIDIA 4070 graphic card. But in this system, it's doing the exactly same application with exactly same software, with exactly same pipeline. No matter what you're doing or where do you start for your application development, you can always switch between one to another very seamlessly. LMI has been a traditional 3D company. Right now, we're trying to expanding our business. So GoPxL have a grand vision. We're trying to be the powerful industrial machine vision suite for not only 3D, but also 2D machine vision industries as well. And also, GoPxL right now, we're aiming to be a very flexible, very open software platform. With the way that the industry is developing right now, all the agent-based coding capabilities, this open software offers you the platform to do all the customizations that you want. We offer a variety of tools in our software suite, not only OCR, but we also have other AI-based tools such as anomaly detector, classifiers, object detector, so on and so forth. This software also have a built-in Python environment, so no matter what you want to do with your Python script, you can always deploy in our software. And in addition to that, we have traditional 2D tools like edge detection, blob detection, pattern matching, so on and so forth. And we still have all of our awesome 3D tools on board as well. When you can connect your 2D data to 3D data, it opens up possibilities for your inspection. Sometimes you cannot make your decision just solely based on one data source. The combination of different data sources gives you higher confidence and better efficiency when you're doing machine vision applications. We have an awesome technical service team, not only in North America, but also we have a global presence. Very sizable team in Asia, we have a very sizable team in Europe, and in North America, we have about 12 application engineers over here as well. And we serve a variety of industries, including consumer electronics, semiconductors, medical, automotive, wood, so on and so forth. So the expertise and knowledge we gather over the years is very valuable. And we're hoping to leverage the experience we have to serve more customers, to bring customers up to speed. Feel free to reach out to us if you're interested, and we look forward to hearing from you.